Hey everyone, this is Will here with the RV Wholesaler Service Department, and today I'm going to be going over how to check your underbelly. So the reason for doing this is obviously if you have underbelly material here, most of these, they come with heat inside of them. So that's to keep your tanks from freezing, things like that. So if you look under here, what you're looking for is any damage, any holes, anything like that in this material here. As you can see, if there are any holes, what you want to do is you want to fill them with this expandable insulating foam. It comes in an aerosol can. The issue is rodents they'll hide up in there. This is the easiest spot for mice to get in your unit. That's not what you want. So what you do, you spray that stuff in any holes you find, and they will not eat this. Believe it or not, they will not eat that stuff. So you put that stuff in there. As you can see, the factory puts it around every pipe that comes out, every hole. If you have any holes any larger than around 3 inches by 3 inches there, expanded foam is not going to do the trick. You're going to look at patching that. But any holes you have around here, sometimes you'll have little gaps in your material right here. You'll just spray that expanded foam in there. It'll expand to where it needs to be. Level it off real nice. Walk away from it. So what you do is you look all the way down the whole entire unit. There shouldn't be any holes. So if it does, just make sure you get that foamed up real nice. You shouldn't have any issues. If you have any other questions, give us a call at 877-877-4494.